Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. If you've been here before, welcome back. Take a moment to scroll through some of our older videos. We have some goodies on there. Also, don't forget to check the description box for links to help you create this type of kitchen in your home. So today's video will be focused on how to create a beautiful open shelving system in your kitchen. There are various types of open shelving options for you, from light to dark, small to big. The possibilities are endless. Now, honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of open shelving in a kitchen, mainly because I like to hide some of my clutter. But if you love open shelving, this video is totally for you. And even if you don't, this may give you a few ideas. Maybe you will after this video, who knows? So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Kitchen shelves that are open have become very popular in current kitchen design. It's a great way to add interest to a kitchen and turn organizing into a design feature. So we all know that open kitchen shelving is trendy and looks great, but is it very practical? That is the question. And from a lot of the research and speaking to people who have open shelves in their kitchens, I think I told you that I do not, they actually have found it to be very useful, and it has actually created more usable space for their kitchen. It has also shown to be easy in organizing and putting up dishes. In most cases, open shelving is much cheaper than cabinetry, and that is always a great benefit. Now, as you're looking through some of these fabulous kitchens, don't forget to comment your favorite down below. I have noticed that kitchens that use darker stains for the open shelving usually use lighter color like plates, cups, or accessories, or lighter wood color accessories. They also throw in shades of green, be it through a plant or succulents or books or just anything that can kind of brighten that area up. So one trend that I think is absolutely gorgeous is glass open shelving that overlaps the kitchen windows. Now, I've also seen wood shelves overlap windows, but it doesn't give you that same effect. With glass, it almost appears as if the dishes are floating with nothing below them. This is truly gorgeous. Another option for shelving would be suspended. So the shelving is suspended from the ceiling, normally by piping, fabricated metal, or even wire hooks. I really like this because it's something different and unique, and with so much metal, it gives you an opportunity to make a statement, and you can even use like brass or matte black and just really pop those shelves from the kitchen. So the best part is that the installation of the suspended open shelves does not affect your Backsplash. So there's no drilling holes in tile or laying tile around the shelf brackets. It's so easy. Corner open shelving in a kitchen is also a genius way to make use of corner space. I've never really been a huge fan of corner cabinets, and when using regular cabinetry, the doors tend to hit the walls and the sides of the cabinets. Corner open shelves, in my opinion, are more usable and add more interest to the area. Here's a little bit more of the glass shelving in front of the window that makes it appear that the items on the shelf are just floating. This gives you such a bright and airy kitchen. An open shelving kitchen is also perfect if you have a collection of dishes. This homeowner has a collection of these blue, almost Tiffany blue dishes here, and you see they even painted the cabinets to match. This kitchen is so gorgeous. The great thing about open shelving is that the pieces, your practical pieces that you actually use, then become decoration. So everything from your dishes to saucers to even some coffee cups, they all become decoration and add to the feel of your kitchen. Sorry, can I just take a quick second to say I would love windows this big in my kitchen. This kitchen lets in so much light. It's almost a pleasure to cook here. This was another very creative shelving system that I saw. This homeowner used evenly spaced pegs throughout her kitchen so that way she can make the shelves as long or as short as she needs based on the time frame that she needs it. Now, if you decide on open shelving and you are a shorty like me, I'm only 5'1", a cute little step stool is a must because if not, there's no way we're getting to those items on the top two shelves. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite kitchen down below. If you are curious as to what mine is, here it is. Now I have to be honest and say I'm not the biggest fan of open shelving in kitchens. Some people love it, some people hate it, and some people are just like, yeah. I'm more of the yeah side. It's okay to me. However, I absolutely love this kitchen. I love the contrast between the white and the dark colors. I love the colors of the shelving. And of course, I love those leather chairs. So this is absolutely my favorite. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others that love home decor or on your Facebook or Instagram pages, and of course, subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye friends, stay stylish.